Now that you're approved on the Amazon Influencer Program, you're gonna need to customize your storefront. So in today's video, we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna teach you guys how to create a banner and how to create idea lists. But first, if you're new here, my name is Vanessa, Vani for short. Now to do so, the first place we need to go to is Canva. So I'm gonna give you guys two examples. The first one is gonna be how to create one using one of the templates that are already made on Canva. And the second one is to do a blank canvas. So you would just do your own creation. Step 1, creating the banner. When you get into Canva, you're gonna manually need to create the banner because when you type in Amazon storefront banner into Canva, it's going to give you all different types of template sizes, and that's not gonna work for what we need. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go up here to custom size. Now on the Amazon influencer page, it says that the custom size should be 3000 pixels by 600 pixels. However, I use 1275 by 284 pixels. And that worked just the same. Step 2, creating and customizing your banner. Now the first example I'm gonna give you guys is using one of these templates. Now one of my suggestions is, if you are gonna be using one of these templates and it does have wording on it, I suggest that you use the wording in the middle. Because if someone opens up your storefront on a mobile device, then your banner can get cut off. So if you want anything that is important, make sure it's in the middle. Now I'm gonna choose maybe this one because it has a bunch of stuff so I can show you. So here, if you go on to the text, you can change the font to whatever you want. You can do whichever one you want and it shows you a preview. You can also change the color to it. So if you want a different color to make it pop, whatever you like. Then you can also take this picture off of this person and add your own picture. Now let's say you want to change the background color, you can go ahead, maybe use a blue, make it stand out more. Take this person off. Then you have this. So you can adjust it to however you want. You do have the option of removing and adding things to it. If you made a mistake and you didn't want to delete something and you want it back, you would just go here and hit undo and it'll add it right back for you. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and add maybe a pineapple, you would go into elements and type in whatever you want up here and it'll come up and show you graphics, photos, video stuff, things of that nature. So you can go ahead and just add that in there, okay? Now, if you notice, these little crowns means the pro account. So I do suggest to get the pro account. It is, I think, like $12 a month. I'm not too sure, but it is very affordable. So I do suggest that. So you can use all of these cool templates. But if you do just want the free, you have a bunch of these that are free, which are great. Okay, the next example I want to show you guys is how to do one customized all by yourself. So the one that I'm going to show you is going to be customized with pictures. You can use your own pictures or you can use pictures that are provided with Canva. Okay, so here's your blank canvas. You're going to go up here to elements, then you're going to type in grid. And here you're going to select these. Now this, you can pick whichever one, whichever layout you want. So we're just going to go simple right now and just use these three. And here you can, again, select from your uploads. You can pick any picture that you want from your upload and you can put it on here, adjust it, bring it down to however you want. Okay, and you have those three pictures there. Okay, you can do it like that. Or if you don't want to use those and you want to use something that Canva has, you would go back to elements and then you can type in whatever you want. So let's just say you're doing skincare, right? You can add any of these pictures on there. And again, like how we did before, you would just adjust it to your liking and there you go. You have your own personalized banner. Now, step 3, exporting your banner. So how to do that, you would go up here to share. Then you would go down to download, and here is where you select the file type. I always suggest PNG or JPEG. These two will work, but we're just gonna stick with PNG, and then you hit download. Step 4, uploading your banner to your storefront page. When you log into your influencer account, you're gonna go here to the influencers tab, manage my storefront. Click on that and then it'll take you to your storefront. So this is the back end. See, it says this is the private view of your storefront. So to update it or to upload a new one, you would go here, update background photo. you would go to upload and choose from the files that you have. Then you would save the changes. Now, if you notice, there's a little camera here to upload this one. You can also upload and change your profile picture here. Now, if you want to see what others see, you just click on here and this is what everyone else would see. It's pretty much the same view. Now, if you want to go back to your private view and make your changes, you can. And that is how you create and upload your banner. Pretty simple. The Amazon Influencer Program, this system is pretty easy to navigate. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like and subscribe button so it can reach and help other people like yourself. Now, once you're done with that, step 4, creating your idea lists. Having idea lists are great because it's helpful for your shoppers to navigate through your storefront. Creating idea lists is just as simple or even easier as creating your storefront banner. So to create an idea list, when you're in your storefront, you're going to navigate to where it says create content. And here you're going to select idea list. Now here's the title of your idea list. Now when titling the idea list, make sure the title is clear, so the shopper knows that when they click on that, they know what they're gonna find in there. So let's use an example of like gym stuff. If you're gonna be doing workout essentials or workout equipment, make sure everything that's in there is all about working out. Or if it's like travel essentials, everything in there has to be about travel. So we're gonna make ours about travels. You can write a brief description if you like, but it is optional. Now, to create an idea list, you do need at least 2 products in this list. So from here, you have from your idea list that you have already, you can select from there. You can go through your orders, you can go through your browse history or subscriptions. I like to go through the browse history because I feel like it gives me more options. So let's just say we're looking for a suitcase with wheels. We select the ones that we like, we add product, you hit done, and it'll add it there. You go back, browse history if you like. Then let's say these headphones are part of the travel essential that you want. You hit done. And from there, you would just hit submit. If there's an idea list that you want to edit and add more, you can go here and edit it. And you can add more products. If you feel like you want to delete the idea list, you can go ahead and do so. Now, let's say it's an idea list that you want your customers to see first. You can go ahead and click on the 3 dots and you can pin it or unpin it. There's only 4 pins that you're allowed to do. So you can create and do a bunch of things with these idea lists. Idea lists usually take about a few minutes to go on your storefront, so you should see that right away. Now, creating a photo or a video idea list is the same steps. You would go back to create content, then you would select post video and photo. Then from here, you would select the video or photo that you would want. So let's say you're doing a video, you would go here, select the video. Then you would need to add at least one of the products that's in the video or the photo. So from here, I would do ice pack. I would look for it because this is an ice pack that I did a video on. And I'm just gonna select one of these for video purposes. I add that product, hit done. Then I would title it with something catchy so the customers can look at it, and you would submit the video. You can also change the thumbnail, it's up to you. So if you created like a picture like one of these, you can open it and then this will be the thumbnail to the video. Now, videos and photos typically take a little bit longer to approve because I guess they have to like look at everything that's on the video or the picture that you selected, just so they can see if it meets all the requirements that they have and the rules. So just give it a few and you'll see it soon on your storefront. Now, if you haven't yet applied to the Amazon Influencer Program, I'm going to attach this video so you can go ahead and check that out. Now, if you're in need for more hands-on help, I am offering one-on-ones. My information is in the description below. And those are the simple and easy steps on how to create and customize your storefront. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're always notified when I upload something. And as always, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.